Before you apply for your next credit card, you want to make sure to follow these 5 steps in order to get accepted. The first step is you want to make sure that your score is at least a 680. You are easily able to hit a 680 credit score just with one credit card as long as you make on-time payments for a certain amount of months, typically around 7 to 8 months. Step number 2 before you apply for your next credit card is low utilization. You want to make sure that your credit utilization for each of your accounts is less than 10% before you apply for your next credit card. Think of it this way: why would a bank let you borrow even more money if you haven't been responsible with your previous money with different banks? A low utilization on your credit report is a good sign. It makes it seem that you're responsible with other people's money and they can trust you with future money. Step number 3 before applying for your next credit card is your earnings and benefits. Let's say, for example, you're trying to get approved for the American Express Gold Card. You want to know what the earnings and benefits are for this card before you get approved, so you know exactly how to maximize every dollar you spend on this card. Your earnings are going to be either cashback or point earning credit cards, and because you follow Credit Speak, you know that point earning credit cards are worth so much more rather than cashback. Step number 4 is you want to have 100% payment history on all of your accounts. Having 100% payment history is a very good sign. It shows that you're responsible with other people's money and you can be held accountable with all the money that they're letting you borrow. Think of it this way: if you let your friend borrow money and they pay you off on time and all the amount, you're going to have 100% trust in them. The same thing goes with the banks and yourself. Just one late payment on your credit report can drop your score up to 100 points, so you want to make sure that payment history is always at 100%. And step number 5, if you comment the word START, I will help you on a one-on-one call get approved for your next credit card, and it's completely free.